Hello friends, welcome to the Nifty and Bank Nifty daily post-market technical analysis. So today Nifty and Bank Nifty both have gapped up and they sustained the gap up but the movement has been quite ranged in case of Nifty. So if you observe the daily candle, the opening has been at around 18,125, but the overall range of the market movement has been just 80, 75 points. So throughout the day, it has been, I would say, very tight range market. However, if you have been carrying longs over the past 1 week or 1.5 week, probably you might have had a very good chance of booking very good profits today. And I sincerely hope you had booked the profits, because as of now the price action seems like it is taking some resistance, and the resistance is coming from a previous crucial resistance zone. So if I just mark the top of today's daily candle, see, you notice this zone here, price went up, it flattened there, and it came down at this point. So here also tried to go up, but then there was some sharp resistance and price came down. And here there was some support for the price while it was falling, it went up. And here also it had some kind of resistance. So all this is pointing that the resistance we are seeing today, this particular small resistance wick, this is coming at a crucial resistance level. Now let us keep this resistance line that we have drawn, and we will drill down into the intraday level, and we'll see what the price action tells us about the market movement. Okay, let me close this. Ah. So what we are seeing here is the 15-minute level price action. So as you can see, there has been multiple attempts of breaching this resistance line. Here there was a very clear rejection. There was one more rejection here. After that, the price again tried to go up and tested this, and from here on it was uh, downtrend all the way. And another very interesting thing to notice, the price took support twice around 130 regions. So what is this telling us? So one thing to notice, price has been in a very sharp upward bull trend for the past few sessions, and today we are seeing some kind of resistance coming into picture. So tomorrow, if price action happens to gap down, because the reason I'm using the term gap down is we saw the price taking support during intraday, and if a gap down happens, it means that this support might have been broken. So if price gaps down anywhere less than a 17 18 130 level, so 18 130 has been the intraday support. If price opens below this, there are two possibilities. One is that because of the previous bullish uptrend, there may be some buying force still left, which might push the price up, Nifty, after opening. But when it hits around this range, this zone 18130 to 18140 something, if there is a resistance playing out because of the previous price action, and whoever has been waiting to get out, then we may see a sharp fall after that. On the other hand, if it gaps down and if it just falls below without going up, if it gaps down and if it falls, that is also a possibility. But then in that case, it may not fall very much is what I expect, because there would be some support still coming from 18,000 level. So 18,000 and above, price may hover. On the other hand, if bullish sentiment prevails tomorrow, then it may gap above 18,180, most probably. And once it does, if once it opens above 18,180, it may slightly come back to test this and may go up. So this is the technical outlook for Nifty 50 tomorrow. So if there happens to be a red candle tomorrow, that will also indicate a reversal of this uptrend, and we have to stay short and see how far it goes down. And I also had mentioned this on in the weekly analysis that 18,180 to 80,000, 18,200 can be a resistance, and we have to see what the price tells us with its price action there. And the price action here is clearly saying that the resistance is present and it's pushing the price down. So don't ignore these indicators. If there is a gap down tomorrow, it most likely may sustain and eventually price may fall lower. However, if there is a gap up above 18,180, the price may go up. Looking at Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty also had mentioned that around 43,500 there is resistance, and we have to see what happens with the price around that point. So at 43,500 we see now a negative price action, and this also forms an evening star pattern with this sharp rise and a gap up opening, and then the price not sustaining the opening. So technically, if tomorrow opens lower and closes lower, then it may be a reversal in Bank Nifty also. Looking at the intraday price action in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty also, it is very clear that we can see Bank Nifty tried to breach 43,500 level. It could not, and eventually it closed lower. So there is a fair chance that it may open lower and it may fall further, taking probably the support might come around this particular area, 42,800 in and around. This could be a support for tomorrow. So this is the technical outlook for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And we'll again meet tomorrow end of the day and take a stock of how the market is moving, and we'll come to an estimate about the weekly expiry on Thursday. Until then, I hope everyone will have a good trading day. See you guys.